Alright guys, so this is a very raw unboxing video of the Seiko Alpinist that I purchased from Lazada. And here we go. I hope I will not get disappointed. Okay, this is expected. It's cut through the bubble wrap. Sorry, my camera is so shaky. Okay, so almost there. There we go. Alrighty. So it comes with this box. Let me know if this is the usual box that it comes in with. Okay. We have the usual Seiko manual and warranty card. Okay. Ooh. Yep. I'm not gonna show you that. But yes, this is the warranty card and the company or the official or authorized dealer. What is this? This is like a manual. Yep, it is a manual. So there you go. The second box is here and ooh. Okay. Wow. Ooh, that's gorgeous. I did not expect this to be gorgeous in person. Wow. Ooh, that's nice. Oh, wow. And it's not as thick as I expected. Yeah. Let's try it on. It's a little big. Let's adjust this. How do I do this? Oh, sorry. There we go. Let's try it in this hole. There we go. And it's really nice. Although I'm wearing for my Strapcode bracelet. But yeah, I'm gonna do another video for when that comes in here. I hope customs will just release it. Yep, very nice. That's it. Thank you.